exciting. Got in on this group of hogs right here on the edge of a lake, and I think I made a pretty good shot on both of them. Kind of give them some time and see if I can go look for my arrows and see what kind of sign I got. Here's the first hog I shot. It went about 20 yards, I guess, and it fell real close to where I shot the second one. So I see my arrow on my second one. It's about, I don't know, 10 yards from here. I'm gonna go look at it and see what kind of sign I got. Well, I'm not gonna be able to find the sow that I shot. I don't know if you could tell by the video, but those water lilies all the way around that little hole that they were in are, I don't know, they're over waist high on me, almost chest high, and she bailed off of them, and they go way up in the woods, and I got a pretty good blood trail, but I kill way too many hogs to be going in there at dark. So that's the reason I shot this little one first. I could have shot that big boar several times, but I've been wanting a good cooking pig. So that's the reason I shot that little shoat first, so I could for sure try to make a good heart shot on one and have something for the freezer. So overall, pretty good night. I'm pretty tired. I done drug this thing about 350 yards, so time to get it to the meat pole.